Hi, you're welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can change Facebook page ownership. So let's say you want to change the admin on the Facebook page to someone else, or say you sold your Facebook page and you want someone else to take control of it. I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. So first, you'll be going to the Facebook page in which you'll be taking control of, or the Facebook page you want to transfer. So I have a few Facebook pages. So I'll just open one of them in a new tab so that we can start managing the Facebook page. So you can either open it from that end, or you can just click on this and then select the Facebook page from this list of profiles. Now, as soon as you are on the Facebook page, you'll most likely be acting as the Facebook page. And all we need to do is to come to settings. Okay, yeah, we need to switch to that Facebook page so that we can start acting as that Facebook page. So we are going to be switching there, and then we go to settings. We go to our settings. After getting to our settings, we try to not settings, page setup actually. So page setup, settings, page setup, and then we'll come to page access. So from page access, you can decide on who you would like to transfer ownership of the Facebook page to. So there are two types of addition you can have, people you can have on the Facebook page. You can have people with task access, and then you can also have people with Facebook access. So people with task access are people who only have access to post content on the Facebook page, who can only moderate comments, suspend or remove people, and that is all. But people with Facebook access are people who have more extensive access. They could even delete a Facebook page. So these are the people who have task access on my Facebook page, and all I just need to do is either remove access or keep the person there. Now, if you would like to transfer ownership, all you need to do is to remove the person you would like to remove from being an owner of the group of the Facebook page. And as soon as you remove the person loses control of the page, and only one person has control of the page. So that is pretty much all you need to do. You add the new person you would like to transfer the Facebook page to, give them Facebook access to the page, and then you remove yourself from the page, or they can remove you from the page. And as soon as that is done, you lose complete access to the page. So let's go through it one more time, because as I was trying to access it earlier, I was not able to get it just on time, so it might mix it up. So we're acting as a Facebook page. You go to your settings. After getting to your settings, page setup, and then page access, and that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.